That is the ugliest thing I have ever saw.
Is real.
He is? Show me.
I'd better not. It's a whole thing.
Do your best me voice.
Look at me, I'm Twaskis.
Oh, that's terrible.
Thanks for calling Rogers. How can I help you?
Wait, are you Canadian?
Yeah.
I can understand you. Gay buskis. I speak Canadian.
And idiot.
Shh.
Ba-dum-ba-dum, a duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bump, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass."
Get him! Attack! Attack! SpongeBob, get him! So I decree!
Boy, these eggs are delicious. Good job, Lois. Good job, local hen.
Oh, baka baka ba.
Dude, bad news. You're dead.
What? But I'm deaf.
Sorry, dude. Super deaf. You're done.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Okay, don't panic. To find Flanders, I just have to think like Flanders. I'm a big four-eyed lame-o, and I wear the same stupid sweater every day on the Springfield River!
Do you like waffles? Can't wait to get 'em out. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did.
Oh, I bet you thought this was gonna be one of those la 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 jumping up and down churches where everybody's dreaming about the waffles they're gonna go have afterwards with 2 big scoops of butter, boysenberry syrup. Yeah, I'll have a side of toast. Actually, do you have biscuits? Oh, perfect, I'll have that. Alright, I'm gonna go to the restroom before they bring the biscuits.
Answer me!
No!
No, you don't understand?
No!
No, what?
No!
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this.
Ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done. I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run. I work at Burger King making Whoppers. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that? Ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done, ding, fries it done. I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run. Don't touch the fries in hot fat, it really hurts bad, and so do skin grafts. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that?
What you say?
This bag of bolts Megatron won't know what hit him. I think I just sprang an oil leak.
Now that's odd.
Now I think it needs a longer caption.
Like covert surveillance, designed to uncover Megatron's plot to conquer Cybertron. Everything was going according to plan when I intercepted a communication between the Decepticon leader and an unknown double agent. They were in the midst of plotting the abduction of an unsuspecting Autobot, which now, from the status of the current ground situation, appears to have been successful.
And he's stuck with you. A big, fat panda who treats it like a joke.
Oh, that is it!
Wait! My fault! I accidentally tweaked his facial nerve. And may have also stopped his heart.
Oh, don't be shy. It's not just a job. It's an adventure.
I hate adventure.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty.
Got any grapes?
I don't know.
Bang! Bang! Pull! Pull! Hit with stick! Hit with stick! Oh. Who are you?
Spider-Man.
I'm your new partner.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, 'cause you did.
And as for you, I don't know you, but I'm sure you're a jerk.
Banana, 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 banana.
Made you look.